Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Car Views. Before we start today's amazing luxury tour, a quick favor. So many of you watch every video but forget to support. Please hit that like button, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next premium motorhome showcase. Today we are stepping inside a true masterpiece of travel engineering. The all-new 2026 Volvo Camper Truck. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling palace built for comfort, style, and unforgettable journeys. Let's begin outside. The 2026 Volvo Camper Truck commands attention with its bold, elegant lines. The large panoramic windshield, sculpted LED headlights, and chrome accents instantly tell you this is a premium Class A motorhome. High strength, body panels, and smooth aerodynamics give it a road-ready confidence that matches its luxury personality. Step through the main door and you're greeted by an open-plan space that blends living room, kitchen, and driver cabin into one seamless experience. On the front side, the driver's cabin is a futuristic cockpit with a panoramic view, plush leather captain's chairs, and a digital Volvo control system. Long drives feel effortless here. Directly behind the cab, the kitchen flows naturally into the living area. A gorgeous marble countertop, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, and built-in refrigerator give you everything needed for full-scale cooking on the road. Overhead cabinets with soft LED underlighting add a warm, premium touch. Next to it, the living room is pure comfort. A spacious, L-shaped sofa upholstered in soft cream fabric, a large entertainment screen, and panoramic side windows that flood the space with natural daylight. Whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing after a long drive, this area feels like a luxury apartment. Climb just a few steps and you reach the private bedroom, perfectly positioned above the living area. Here you'll find a plush queen-size bed, elegant wood-tone finishes, and a skylight window that invites the morning sun. Built-in cabinets keep everything organized, while warm LED accents create a cozy hotel suite vibe. After a day on the road, this bedroom is the ultimate retreat. At the far rear corner of the camper lies the washroom, designed to maximize both space and style. You get a full glass-enclosed shower, sleek vanity with vessel sink, and high-end chrome fixtures, bright ambient lighting and marble style. Walls make this compact area feel surprisingly spacious and luxurious. Underneath all this elegance, Volvo engineering ensures a powerful yet smooth drive. Advanced suspension, strong torque, and modern safety systems mean you can travel long distances with total confidence. Storage compartments inside and out keep your gear organized, while smart climate control maintains perfect comfort in every season. Friends, the 2026 Volvo Camper Truck is more than a motorhome. It's a statement of freedom and luxury, from the seamless living kitchen cabin design to the private bedroom and corner washroom. Every detail shows Volvo's dedication to comfort and innovation. If you enjoyed this tour, please smash that like button, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next journey into the world of luxury motorhomes. Share this video with friends who love travel and style, and let them experience the beauty of this incredible Volvo Camper Truck. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next premium adventure.